Hello guys, that's me. Is acting Makoti's fight and take main girls and in Malwen guys binding the ku Makoti fightings no ku tata man take man girls so abukumnandi very exciting me. Baby doll, everything happy guys. I'm happy. That's me looking at that baby doll is my sister. You hear me guys?